If you're curious whether the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has a slow motion feature, let's explore it together. So first of all, open up your camera application. After that, find your More tab at the bottom. And here we're gonna find our slow motion. So as you see, we have it. Once we select it, we're all set for recording incredible slow motion videos. For more control, you can adjust the settings of your slow motion video. So the device supports Full HD and UHD, FPS to 240 FPS and 120 FPS, and when it's in 120 FPS, you can also turn on your HDR. So basically, that's it. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please consider liking our content and subscribing to our channel. Have a great day.